Hi guys, welcome to Amali Vlogs. Today I'm going to give you a solution to a very significant problem that most of us face. When we do a job, most of us have a problem of managing our time. I'm going to give you a solution today on how to prioritize your work. I call this priority cross. So let's see what it is. When we get to a job, most of us have this problem. The work get piled up, we don't have enough time, we bring that stress home and the family life get into trouble. So most of these issues can be resolved with the technique I'm going to tell you all today. So this priority cross, usually for me what I do is I create this priority cross every single night for the next day work. And that way, even the time that I wake up next day early morning, I know what my duties are. I know what I should do, I know what I should not do, and how to allocate my work. And you can create this priority cross not just on a daily basis, but on a weekly basis, monthly basis, yearly basis, or even for your lifetime. So let's see how we're going to do that. Priority cross has 4 sections. The first part is important and urgent. The things that you have to do urgently, like there is no way you can, pass it to another day, or there is no way that you can do it later. It might jeopardize somebody's life, it might jeopardize the workload or something. It's really urgent and important. Those things we give the priority. Weekly basis, daily basis, monthly basis, we can find out what are the important and the urgent stuff that we have to do. And the next in the priority cross is important but not urgent. For an example, let's say you have to fill up your timesheet today. It is important, but you don't have to do it sometimes on the same day. You can do it the next day morning, right? But you still have to do it. It's like not at the same time, early morning, but maybe at the end of the day if you don't have anything else, maybe during the lunchtime. So it is important, really important, but it's not like an urgent matter. Next is the most important thing that most of us don't know how to do in the priority cross. That is deputize. Usually people tend to get the workload and do it by yourself. When you have somebody that you can allocate the workload to, why you have to do it by yourself, right? So today I'm going to tell you, like, when you deputize work, what is the rule you need to follow? ODS rule. This is how it goes. Organize, deputize, and supervise. So basically, once you allocate the work to somebody, you first organize how you're going to do it, how it should be done, what are the steps, and then you give it to somebody who's capable of handling that project. And then you supervise. Sometimes that is even easier because somebody else doing it and you just have to, work it out to supervise. And if there are any changes you need to do, you can ask them and get it done. So that is how you deputize work. And the last is procrastinate. That means, like, for example, like if you have time, you do it. If not, it's okay. Like you can pass it to another day. If you have time, then you can finish it off. I mean, it's like later if I call it. Because if you have time, if not later. So that is how the priority cross works. And with this priority cross, once you create it in the night, the next day night, you can actually go through the priority cross and point and see whether you were able to finish off the workload that you wanted. And also whether you followed the priority cross. If you haven't done it, you can allocate that work to the next day. Whether it may be, it can change. Like, sometimes today that, the work that we procrastinated, next day it might be important because you procrastinated today, but tomorrow is your deadline. So it comes to the, important section there. So that is how you have to work it out. That way you have a frame that you can work on. Like, you know what you need to do. Once you get to work, you know what exactly you need to do, what you can deputize, what you can give it to get done from somebody else. Like, let's say posting a letter. You don't have to go and do it. Posting a box. You don't have to go and do it. You can just send somebody else. So things like that, you can allocate it to somebody. And things that is not really urgent, you can, do it on another day. Let's say you have to get a birthday card to a friend, which is not important. You don't have to buy it today. But because if the birthday is like next week, you don't have to get it today anyways. And let's say you procrastinate it up until the last minute and the birthday is tomorrow, then it becomes important and urgent because you have to get it done. Because tomorrow is the birthday, right? Yeah. Okay. So I believe you got a clear understanding about the priority cross, which we can use to assign our workload so you can finish that workload without being stressed. And your personal life and professional life, you can balance it out that way. Okay guys, so I hope you like this video and I hope you got some information. I'll see you in my next video, another important tip for your life, and until then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you then. Bye bye.